Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Guys, for today's video, I will tackle the labor laws here in Saudi or Middle East to our Filipino overseas worker. Yeah, guys. For me, guys, I have many friends OFW to go on Philippines or here in the Middle East. It is true, guys. It is true that the laws are obeyed here or applied by the employer. It is not true that other employer do not follow the labor laws. For me, I have many friend Filipino workers that their employers follow the laws, the labor laws. Number one, guys, I have many friends that their employer given them 1 day off, or even every week their employer give them to go out every once a week to go out for go day off. It is true, guys. It is true. Not the some worker that their employer do not give them a day off. Many friends of mine say my employer given me a day off, but I will not go out because many reason, guys. For my friends, they say I will not go out because I have no money to go to spend in outside in the mall or in in here in the Saudi, the Bataha, the Balad. So they keep on staying in her home. So the labor laws follow, but the worker do not go outside. So it is true that the labor laws here are followed. One of my friends do not talk to their employer, or she say that she's shy. She is shy to talk to the employer. So why you are shy? According to me, I do not know, because here and in the laws. But the other friends of mine say they talk to her employer, but the employer, no problem, you go every Friday, no problem. Why you are shy? Talk to your employer to, sir or madam, can I go outside to buy anything, the food, or to eat in the restaurant, the Filipino restaurant, or to go to the mall. Do not be shy. Just talk to their employer, no problem. Yeah, guys, I have talked many friends of mine. So the labor laws are followed, guys. Number one, the day off, because the day off is a very unstressful moment of the worker, the Filipino worker. So they have a time to bonding with their friends, to call their family, to eat Filipino food, because inside the house you cannot cook Filipino food. Sometimes there is many Filipino restaurant outside if you go day off, guys. Next, guys, the labor laws are also obeyed here or applied by the employer is the salary. I have many friends that their employer is very good. In 1 month, some employer are, if you want, you advance your 1 month or you advance your 6 months. I have talked my one friend driver, his employer before the employer give the 1 year salary. Oh, that's good. You have no problem, the employer no problem also, because the basic is monthly. Some employers I give the advance. If you want, give the 6 months advance. The maximum is 1 year. So that is good. The labor laws applied here, guys. I think some not 100% are followed, but for me, majority are followed, guys. Our labor here. So there is not true that the other are saying the labor not applied. And the other, the modern living here are, are innovating. Some employer are good. They are kind. They are given their worker a free time. Some are given the gift, or if they are finished 2 year or 4 year or 6 year, they have given the incentive, I think here the benefits, the yearly benefits, but the computation are not the same with the Sharika or the company. But some employer are they're good. If the worker are very long staying in their family, they have incentive. For me, I talk to many friends, they are given. So it is not true that the labor are not follows. They are following, guys. That's only, guys. The other laws are followed, guys, here in Middle East. That's good. Thank you. For some employer are very good here. Thank you. Bye-bye.